Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Hampton Bay fan not working but light is, motor and speed control troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the full fan chain or wall switch. Turn on the wall switch that control the fan, then pull the fan speed chain several times to make sure it isn't set to off. Then test all speed settings. Second one is reset the circuit breaker. Turn off the fan and light, then go to your home's electrical panel. Then reset the breaker for the ceiling fan if it has tripped. Then turn the fan back on and test it. Third one is check the remote control. Replace the remote batteries and make sure the remote is set to control the fan. Then repair the remote if your Hampton Bay model support pairing. Then test the fan again. Fourth one is check the speed control switch. Turn off power at the breaker, then remove the wall speed control or fan switch cover. Then look for loose or damaged wire. Then replace the speed control if it is faulty. Then fifth one is inspect the capacitor. Turn off power to the fan, then remove the fan housing. Look for a swollen, leaking or burnt capacitor, then replace it with one that has the same rating. Thanks for watching.